In today's video, we are going to be trying out Sub's 3D Puff HTV. I have never tried Puff HTV before, so this is going to be my first time. I'm really excited. So here's my idea. I got this white shirt from Walmart. It's just a plain white shirt. And I'm going to be adding this HTV to make a coloring shirt. So when I'm done with it, it's just going to be an outline of a drawing. And my daughter's going to be able to take washable marker and color it in. And then when we put it in the wash and take it out, it'll be white again. And then she can do it all over again. I'll have this HTV link down below if you want to see how well this works. Just keep watching. This is going to be a good gift idea for Christmas, or like if you're doing a birthday party. This could be like a craft that they do there. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do mostly sublimation and sewing videos, but sometimes I do Cricut videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. I don't know why that's always a tongue twister. Please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's just jump into this video. So when you get it, it comes packaged in plastic with the instructions. You open that up and here are your instructions. It also has washing instructions for your garments, any troubleshooting, and then it has instructions how to do it with the iron or how to do it with your heat press. So we're gonna get our cutting mat, then we're gonna get our HTV with that shiny side facing down. That's our carrier sheet. We're going to line up our HTV with our edges here. And you can take like a brayer tool or a scraper or something and flatten it down. So this is what the brayer tool looks like. And if it's not sticking down to your mat, like you see this corner is not sticking down, you can take some painter's tape or masking tape and just press that down so that it doesn't lift while you're cutting. You can just take painter's tape. Just gonna cut some small pieces. Don't need to be perfect pieces. Okay. So now we can take this to our Cricut to cut our design. And remember to mirror your design. Always mirror your design when you're doing HTV. So I'm gonna cut off any excess HTV and I'm gonna save that because I can use that for another project. I'm gonna take my weeding tool. This is a very intricate type design. So we're gonna start by weeding the outside of it. So we're gonna take our weeding tool, take it in the corner, lift that up and pull it. So now that I have done that, I'm just gonna go in and start weeding everything else. This is gonna take me a while, so I'll be right back. So we're gonna preheat our heat press to 315. It says, the instructions say 310 to 320. My heat press runs hot, so I'm gonna try 315. I am going to just prep my shirt while that is heating up. To try this out, all we're gonna need is a lint roller, some heat tape, not regular tape, we need heat tape, our design, and that's pretty much, and a Teflon sheet. This is what a Teflon sheet looks like. We're gonna start off by lint rolling our shirt. And this project is gonna work best with a white shirt or a light colored shirt. So before you put this down, you wanna just turn it around and make sure that there's no little pieces of HTV that you weeded in places where it's not supposed to be. And if there is, just take it out. Okay, once you have done that, you can put down your design where you want it. And if you want, you can take your carrier sheet, line up your design, and then just press a crease in the carrier sheet to kind of give you a guide as to where the middle of your design is. And you want to make sure you're lining up your design and not the carrier sheet. Once you have it where you want it, you just want to tape it down with some heat tape. Again, don't use regular tape. use heat tape. Okay, perfect. Now this is ready. As simple as that, this is ready to go to our heat press. I am going to be making a matching one for myself. So I'm going to just prep that, and then we're going to move to our heat press once it is heated to 315. Okay, now it is preheated. We're going to take our shirt and we're going to just place it here. I have a piece of butcher paper just to protect my shirt from my mat in case anything is on there. I'm just placing it down, and then I'm gonna get my Teflon sheet and I'm gonna put that on top to protect my fabric from my plate in case anything's on there, and so that it won't burn. Then I'm just gonna press for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna do 15 seconds. Make sure you have good pressure. Now we're going to open our heat press. We're going to take off that Teflon. And then we're going to take off the carrier sheet. Oh, that is so cool. I did not realize that the heat was going to make it puff up. For some reason, I thought, because when I was working with it, it felt just like regular HTV. So I didn't think it was going to be this poof. This is how it looks. It literally is poofy. This turned out so cute. Okay, like I didn't realize, I said this earlier, but I didn't realize that the heat was gonna make it puff up. I don't know why. I just thought it was gonna be like, I don't know. I just thought it was gonna be different, to be honest. Thought it was gonna be like velvety, just like a little bit of thickness. Like, I don't know what I thought, but I didn't think it was gonna puff up like that. That is so cool. Look at that. Can you see that texture on there? Like, that is so cool. I've never, again, this is my first time working with 3D Puff HTV. I've never done it before. This is so cool. I love this. My daughter is gonna love this. Now, just make sure that when you use this kind of HTV, see there's these very thin lines. So just be conscious of the pink, the HTV is going to puff up. So therefore those lines are not going to be as visible. You see right there, you can barely see that line. So just be aware of that. But this is so cool. Like, I love this. It just makes it, I don't know, it's just like a whole different, I don't know, it's just so much cooler than regular HTV. I'm gonna have this link down below for you guys, but I love this. Love this. This is so cute. It's just so cool. So cool. I love it. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried 3D Puff HTV and what you've used it for. So cool. My daughter's gonna love it. Look at that. So cool. I love it. It's really easy to use too. It's easy to weed, and it's very quick to press. Like, and then you don't have to, you know how with HTV you have to then take off the carrier sheet and then do a full press again with the Teflon sheet on it. The instructions didn't say to do that, and it feels really well adhered. I made sure I had good pressure, so make sure you have good pressure. But I'll have this link down below for you guys. I love how this turned out. And again, like, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my daughter color this with washable markers, and I think she's really gonna love it. Also, it's just really cute, just like this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.